Hey everyone, it's Haley with Hang Accessories. Today I want to show you our wireless charging pads to charge your phone. For those of you who haven't met us yet, we are a woman-owned and operated lifestyle brand out of San Diego, California that focuses on functional fashion. So we design travel, tech, and wellness accessories for women on the go. And as you can see, we have a ton of great gift items and a lot of fun prints, including our wireless charging pads. To use the wireless charging pad, take the smaller end of the included USB cable and plug it into the pad like this. Take the larger end of the USB cable and plug it into your laptop computer or wall adapter. The wireless pad is not rechargeable and does not hold a charge if unplugged. When the pad is powered, the blue LED light will flash once, as you saw earlier, to indicate that the pad is ready to use. Simply place your QI-enabled phone in the center of the pad. Make sure your phone screen is face up so the back of your phone is in contact with the pad. When your phone is charging, a solid blue ring will indicate the pad is working. If your phone is off center, be sure to readjust. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out more of our fashionable and functional accessories.